Hello, good night, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you guys are watching me in the world. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Now, I did got a comment from a subscriber saying they want me to do drawing videos. I did send some of my vlogs that you can go watch. But because I have to do something that I gotta post for like 24 days straight, I decided to do this video. And then if I have to do this end of the month, you guys will see these vlogs. And then if I have to do it for the other month, you guys will see it. So why not let me do this vlog, and then I will do my other vlogs. And then because I just want to, I don't want to disappoint no one. And I feel like as a content creator, you don't want it to disappoint any of my subscribers, and I don't want to feel overwhelmed or feel bad. So I'm gonna just draw the 4 seasons. I'm gonna draw spring, summer, winter, and autumn. And I have this paper. I just lined them in 4. So I'm gonna draw them, and then you guys will see how they look, and then that'll be it. Okay, so let's get right into the video. And then, like I said, when I do finish this one, I do have more vlogs, but I'm going to be doing the one you might hear it on my short story anyway. And then when I finish, then we'll do those ones, we'll post them. And then when I finish the vlogs, and if you guys want me to do, I will do them. Okay, I will try my best. I might be a little behind, but I will do them. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so how this is going to go is I'm going to draw them. You might not see my face too much, but the first one I'm writing spring, summer, winter, and autumn. Oops, sorry about that, there's an interruption. So let's start drawing, okay guys? And like I said before, I do love you guys as my subscribers. I will not disappoint any of y'all, but I'm going to try my best to do this, and then I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I'm going to be drawing spring. So honestly, we have grass. So this is like a DIY drawing the 4 seasons. So I want to tell you guys what I like about drawing, and what I like about coloring, and what I like about doing certain things, right? A lot of times we might look at life and be like, oh, well, I like this, and oh, I like that, and blah, 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 blah. And, every single day I look at life and I'm like, I remember I was somebody that was into drawing. I was into so much things back in the day. And you might be wondering, how do you like these drawings? What do you do to feel inspired, to feel motivated, And every single day I'm like, I love doing something and just being aware of what I'm doing. Because you never know what you're going to face, what you're going to do, blah, 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 And every single day I'm like, we have to live and learn and understand and get information, and knowing that if you had to just do something, then your mind will be like, oh, I did this or I did that. So now most of the time you might be thinking was drawing fun? Did you ever enjoy drawing? Honestly, I would say drawing has always been something that I enjoy, but it does not mean that I hated it. No, I always had this theory. That's why I'm I wish I had all my pictures of all the drawings back in the day, a long time. But I don't have them with me, so I throw them away. But I do have a place where I keep all my drawings. So yeah, so I love drawing, and I love just doing things and just enjoying and just enjoying what I do. because you never know. Like, drawing can actually change your mind. It can actually help you. It inspires you. It motivates you, in a lot of ways. And the reason why I love drawing is because I was that type of person that loves drawing. I was that type of person that didn't business with it or didn't care. I just do whatever I want. And yeah, just have fun. Just have fun. Just do whatever you like. Doesn't even matter if people think of it as not fun. It's very enjoyable to me, and I think it's very relaxing. It's just like if you're home and you're jamming to your favorite song, you're like, na, 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 you know what I mean? But to be honest, I don't know. I love drawing, and drawing has always been something that I was into, and I never, gave up on it. And yeah, that's basically it. And I hope you will get inspired when you're watching me and you're like, oh, I remember being inspired. Just like when a subscriber was telling me what makes me to become a YouTuber is honestly to be confident, believe in myself, do things that I love, do things that I truly enjoy, and just know that like you can do it. You don't have to worry about what anybody says or what anybody do, But to me, I don't know. I just feel like that's what life's all about. But to me, I love being inspired. I love being motivated, and yeah. So I'm gonna just, I guess, color it now. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right now. I don't know if y'all can kind of see it, but that's what it looks like. So let's see if I can just color it. So yeah, guys. So let me know what you guys think. I want y'all to see it. I don't really want you to see my face too much. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you guys understand. I know like you guys want me to do your content, and I don't want to like disappoint any of you guys. So if I'm doing it, you know me already, I will like get it done. I have to. But yeah, guys, drawing has always been something that inspires me every day, that motivates me every day. It's just like, for example, singing. I've been singing since I was young, and I never stopped singing. I just keep on going until I get things right. Because let me tell you guys something about me. So let me tell you why I love drawing and like what drawing changes my life based on. Drawing always changes me based on how I do things, how I try to do things, how I get along with things. And I don't see no theory of like drawing in a way like, oh, I'm the best drawer. Like, I started to draw when I was young. And like since I've been in school, I wouldn't say like my drawing is the best. But I use the time to like, just get it and understand it. Because you might look at it in a way like, oh, drawing is easy. Mm-mm. If you are somebody that's an expert and you know how to draw, then that's good. And let me tell you guys, advice. If you feel, one of my pencils just broke. Anyways, so if you just feel that you think if drawing is easy, to me drawing is not easy. I think drawing is something that you just have to keep on going. And where's the black? Okay, drawing, you just have to keep on going. Don't give up on it, and just don't think of it in a way like, oh, drawing is easy. Like, I'm not gonna say my drawings are the best. I just keep on going and never give up on it, but don't think of it in that way. And another thing, what I wanna, wrong color. Another thing, what I wanna just say Just like you guys, when you guys watch my videos sometimes, and you guys will ask me some questions, and sometimes I'll be like, what they're trying to say, and it's not like, say I'm trying to be mean or anything, but it's like, when you guys ask me certain questions, like, I'll be like, oh, they're just asking me this, they're just asking me this. It's not like, say you guys are trying to be mean with me, but you guys are asking me questions that, you know, I need to, I kind of get, or I don't get, but I need to get the theory, you know. But yeah, I love drawing, and I want to say drawing is easy, but if you get it, you get it. There's no doubt of worrying and thinking that, oh, it's not gonna be good, it's not gonna be great. Drawing has never been the best for me. Like, I know from day one, if I had to look back and be like, girl, was my drawing good? No. But now, as I keep on practicing, I'm not gonna say it's like 50%, you know, but you just have to believe in yourselves. You know, just like me coming on YouTube here, there were times I felt like I didn't believe in myself, and now I go, you know, now I go. So never look back and think that you can never do. It takes time, takes knowledge, takes understanding. You will get it. Believe me, for God, when you look back, you're going to say, oh yes, I get it now, and I understand what she was trying to say. So don't look at it in a way that you're going to get it. It takes time, takes knowledge and understanding. So yeah, guys, so let me do one more thing, and then I'm going to show you it now, okay? Alright, guys, so I'm going to show you guys the drawing. So oh, wait, I forgot to color something. What is this wrong? Uh-oh. I did something wrong. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Why am I keep on doing this, guys? I'm messing up this beautiful flower. Okay, well, it's messed up now. Okay, now let me show you guys my drawing. Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you my picture. Alright, guys, so this is my 4 seasons that I draw. I draw spring, summer, winter, and autumn. So this is a DIY drawing the 4 seasons, and clearly we are in the season right now. So yeah, alright. So other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this video, and also I just want to say thank you to the subscribers that were commenting. Really appreciate it, and also liking my videos. Really appreciate it so much. I might do like a comment video, maybe just talk about you guys' comments, just talk about that, and then that'll be it. Hopefully when I'm done my vlogs, not now, because I'm way behind and I gotta get this vlog done, and then these ones, we don't know when, but we'll try to get them done. Okay, so I finished one of my DIY vlog already, and I cannot wait to start doing another one. Like, I'll try my best to get them, guys. Okay, I'll try. So let me end this vlog right here, and if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.